Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out Schedule B Form 1040. First, let's understand when you need to file this form. You must file Schedule B if your total ordinary dividends or interest income is more than $1,500. Additionally, if you received interest from a seller-financed mortgage, or if you have an interest in a foreign financial account or foreign trust, you will need to complete Schedule B. It's crucial to determine if these conditions apply to you before proceeding. Now, let's move to Part 1, which covers interest income. On lines 1 and 2, you'll list all sources of interest income, including any tax-exempt interest. However, remember not to include the tax-exempt interest when calculating your total taxable interest. Once you've listed everything, sum up all your taxable interest on line 3. This total amount from line 3 will then be transferred directly to your main Form 1040. Next, we'll tackle Part 2, focusing on ordinary dividends. On lines 5 and 6, you need to report all ordinary dividends you received from different sources throughout the year. It's important to distinguish these from other types of distributions. Do not include capital gain distributions or non-taxable distributions in this section. After listing all your ordinary dividends, calculate the total on line 7. This final sum from line 7 will then be carried over to your Form 1040. Finally, let's address Part 3, which deals with foreign accounts and trusts. On lines 7 and 8, you must accurately answer questions regarding any interest in or signature authority over a foreign financial account. You also need to report if you received a distribution from, or were a grantor of, a foreign trust. These questions are critical for compliance, so ensure your responses are precise and complete. This section helps the IRS track international financial activities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.